Good morning, children. Now we are going to discuss about forms of energy. The energy exists in different forms. Here a few is listed like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy, sound energy, magnetic energy, electrical energy and nuclear energy. In today's our topic is mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy? It is nothing but the energy possessed by an object due to its position or state of motion. Here some spelling mistake, you don't bother about that. That is a state of motion is called a mechanical energy, and simply we are saying it is a sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Both one is combined and called a mechanical energy. It may be that a mechanical energy contain either potential energy or a kinetic energy or both. So we're going to discuss one by one. First, potential energy. What is potential energy? The energy possessed by an object due to its position is called potential energy. It is denoted in the letter PE or EP. Okay, so simply potential energy means PE. Keep it in mind. And then kinetic energy, the energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called a kinetic energy. That is denoted by Ke or Ek. You just keep it in a mind. Ke, that is kinetic energy. Okay. Next, examples for a potential energy as well as the kinetic energy. First, potential energy, compressed spring and water stored in the dam. These all the one we can say the example. Not only these, fruit is what we are saying, a fruit in the tree. What are the object in the rest position? It having some potential energy. Okay, the position means here it will be mentioned rest only. Okay, so see the water stored in the dam, it has some potential energy. This is equal to the work done in the storing water at a height. In the particular height, it having some potential energy, it will be in the stored form. Okay, and next one, example for the kinetic energy. For a example, we are saying oscillating pendulum, and then a fruit is detached from the tree or a branch, falling hammer, and then a bullet from a fired gun, running train, flowing water, rolling ball. These all are the example for kinetic energy. What are the object in the motion, that one having a kinetic energy. So these example explain to us the work done on the object in bringing it to the state of motion. Okay, so in that object some work is moving, because of the work it will be come to the movement. This is the example for kinetic energy. And next one, what are the factors affecting potential energy and as well as a kinetic energy? First, the potential energy, mass of the object and height of the object, and kinetic energy, mass of the object and speed of the object. So first, potential energy, mass of the object and height of the object. The object which one having a greater mass, that having a more potential energy, as well as the object which is placed in the greater height, it having more potential energy stored in it. Okay, so if you take it something for example, what we are saying, a greater mass, any one greater mass of the object, you can like a iron ball and a plastic ball. So first you take a iron ball, and then second one is the plastic ball. Compared to the plastic ball, the iron ball is a heavier mass. Just you thrown upward, the plastic ball is move a certain height and then it is come back to the ground. The same process you do for a iron ball. That iron ball is, it is moving a, it is also moving with a particular height, but compared to the plastic ball it will be moving a greater height. Okay, and come with the greater speed also. So from this, The mass is which one having a heavier mass that stored a more potential energy, so that come with the ground with more speed also, isn't it? That kinetic energy also vary. Here we no need to consider the height, kinetic energy, just we are consider that height and mass alone. The object which one having a greater mass, that having a more potential energy, and which is placed in the greater height, it will having a more potential energy stored in it. The next kinetic energy. And kinetic energy we can say easily mass of the object and speed of the object. You just take two hammers with a different masses and an iron nail. Okay, so you just strike the nail with the hammer one by one. First with the heavier mass, one is a heavier mass and another one is the less mass. First the heavier mass hammer, the iron nail goes deeper into the wood, then the lighter hammer, isn't it? So from this what you understand, the heavier hammer does more work as compared to the lighter one, and hence it having a more kinetic energy. And another one example I am saying for a speed of the object. A carom board is, so place all the coins in the center of the board and hit the coins by the trigger. What do you observe? It hit the coins with the less effort, they move a less distance, and you hit the coin with the more effort, it move a large distance. Yes, the more effort applied to push the trigger, that means a greater speed gained by the trigger. So the more kinetic energy of the trigger hitting the coins with the greater speed of the moving object, means it having a more kinetic energy. Okay children, thank you.